Former Morocco Swallows midfielder Andile Jali has revealed what made him decide against joining Kaizer Chiefs when Soweto Giants approached him. Jali is currently unattached to any club after being released by Swallows last month. Jali spent 5 seasons at Mamelodi Sundowns. After his return from KV Oostende in Belgium, he was linked to a move to different clubs, including his former team Orlando Pirates and Chiefs, but ended up at Masandawana. Speaking with Robert Marawa on Thursday, Jali has since revealed what stopped him from joining Amakosi. He said their way of doing contracts at the time, I said no. They did approach me, they did, and said that's why Kaizer Motaung Jr. was mentioning it, because he knows that he was there also. I never said no to them. It's just that the contract didn't go well between the two parties. Some agreements were not good. At Chiefs, there's a clause about image rights. They will own what you say on Instagram, Facebook, and everything to tell you what to post. It's not possible, so they can't tell me my image rights. It was not possible, yes. That was the deal breaker. Jali further clarified that there was never any discussion about the jersey number 15 during his negotiations with Kaizer Chiefs. The jersey number, made famous by football icon Dr. Khumalo, has been retired by Chiefs in his honor. He said, no, there was never such a conversation. You can't talk about a number when you don't have a contract. You have not even arrived at the training, but you want to talk about a jersey number. It's not possible. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.